Hey, this is Noltech. Today I'll show you how to make your Facebook friends list private. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Now, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on How People Can Find and Contact You. Here, select Who Can See Your Friends List. You'll see different privacy options. Tap Only Me to make your friends list completely private. This means only you can view your friends list, no one else on Facebook. Tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Facebook friends list is now hidden from everyone. You can change this Facebook privacy setting anytime by following the same steps. If this tutorial helped you secure your Facebook account privacy, hit the like button and subscribe to Noltech for more quick tech tutorials.